Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we're going to show a pro assembly of a LSA VGL 5W01. Let's go and open up the box. For the first step, we require 2 part A's, 3 part C's, 12 part number 2, the screws. The item does come with an Allen key, but you can use your power tool. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require 2 part B's, 2 part C's, 8 parts number 2. Let's assemble. For the next step, let's combine them. We'll be using 8 parts number 3, the screws. For the next step, we require part number 1. Please refer to our manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you for watching the pro assembly of a LSA VGL 5W01. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our pro assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.